Yeah. Woo! Woo! Big ones. Woo! Yeah! Really close. That's the thing about the fireworks. The closer you are, the bigger and louder it is. Okay, it's done, but it's fun. Some over there. That one. Okay. There. Go, hard, please. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, you got caught in camera, buddy. Finally, it's done, but yeah.
When we were little, we came out here and we started crawling on our mom.
You did?
To get back inside.
Yeah.
We started crawling all over our mom.
Yeah, especially because, probably because we were just little and we didn't know what was going on.
Like Collins, because you get scared.
I had my adenoids taken out of my ears.
You did?
Yeah, so
Oh!
kind of sensitive.
Whoa.
I have a spacer, too.
You have a pacer?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's supposed to, my new tooth is, my permanent tooth is supposed to become in like whenever I'm 12.
Oh, really?
And they had to pull it and I was 7.
Wow. So when did you get do you have a pacer on your heart?
No.
No, pacer in your tooth?
Yeah, I have a spacer in my tooth,
Oh.
which is
Now I
hanging.
have to get my...
Are they loading? I think they're loading. Yep, they're loading.
Get my tonsils taken out.
You have to have your tonsils done.
I'm gonna have to go get it soon, but...
I have a chip too. Oh, I thought it was done.
Wow.
Okay, there's a lot going behind
I
me.
know.
Well, there's the orange moon right there. July 4th. Happy time. Please watch this because please watch to the end. There's only 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
Not done. You thought it was done? Not done. Just when I thought it was done, it wasn't. Just when I thought it was done, it wasn't done. Like I did it before.
Yeah.
When I thought it was done, it wasn't done.
No, it wasn't done.
Because that's what those things are for.
Yeah. We're done now, though. We're all out.
Well,
All
that's
out
fun.
of fireworks, Collins. I know.
I'm gonna go film the ones over here.
But tell Owen bye. Say bye, Owen. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye. Yes, tell
Bye.
Preston bye.
Too.
Tell Preston bye. We're all done.
Yeah.
We're all out of
Check out
fireworks.
our channel on YouTube,
Okay, I will. What's
It
the
says-
name of it?
Maria Sandor, and it has
Maria
like,
Sandor?
and it has like a gray circle with an M in it, and then it has it will say like 27 videos because we made that much videos.
Wow.
So,
Okay,
Yeah.
I will.
and check out this one.
I will.